Sunlight, the basis of sustenance for our planet. Water, the essence of life. Presenting Vguard Solar Water Heater, harnessing nature for a better tomorrow. Compact size solar water heater made from premium grade stainless steel. Generates hot water without electricity or fuel. Saves on recurring cost of electricity. Made from borosilicate vacuum tubes for maximum heating efficiency. Unique circular shape with specialized triple layer selective coating for maximum heat absorption. Sacrificial anode for corrosion protection. High quality puff insulation minimizing heat loss. Vguard Solar Water Heater also comes with an optional ISI electric backup heater. A choice of models suitable for both hard water and soft water areas. Vguard Solar Water Heaters. Bring home solar power.